Afternoon, people. This is Sam, South Carolina. Happy Bees. It is February the 9th. We have about 56 degrees and it is about 1 o'clock. This is a little split that we made the other day. Well, we made it the first of the month and checked it the other day and it had 6 queen cells in it. So we're going to check it today so we can show y'all, and then we'll keep up to where the little queens go to. We're just going to take these, this one and this one off. We're going to flip this over. You notice I don't have them any pollen patty in there. I mean, I got pollen patty. But I don't have any sugar in there for them. What we're going to do, and we have room, so we're going to push them over. I have them marked here. We have 1 queen cell there, 1 queen cell there, 1 queen cell there, 1 there, 1 here, 1 there, and then there's another one underneath. We're going to be real careful with them. I don't know if y'all can see them or not, but we have 1 queen cell here. It's capped. We have 2 queen cells here that we may have to put in the same nuc when we split it. We have 1 here. We have 1 here. Okay, this side over here, we don't have any queen cells, but we have some brood over here that's frozen. And then we have worker brood in here that are doing pretty good, and they're keeping it warm. We're going to take this one out. So we'll be making splits with this later this week. Could do it today, but got other things I got to do today. We're going to put it right back in there, and we're going to push it up against the wall because there's no queen cells over here. This one has no queen cells on that side, but they have nectar, they have honey up here, a little bit of brood right here. Then on this side we have 2 queen cells down. We got 1 down here. Move. We have a queen cell there, and it looks like it's open. So they haven't been doing this very long. And there's another one that's capped. This one right here is the only one that's open. We have to be careful putting them back in. But we know where the queen cells are because it's marked. So we know we got them on this side of that one. And that side of that one. We put them back in real careful, because it's easy to destroy your queen cells. This one here has honey. It has nectar. And they're doing just fine. And the nectar and stuff on that side. So we slide them back in, making sure we have room. We slide them closer to the side. That way they've got room. They have room. And that's it. That's a little split. But like I say, we'll be making more splits this week, and we're making some permanent splits with this one. pollen. They're eating it. They're flying airplanes, or starting to. And that is it. This is hive number 435. Okay, y'all saw what we got there. And they're coming in and out of their little hole down there. It has an opening. Y'all have a great day. Give us a thumbs up. Give my queen, my bees a thumbs up anyway. Give them a comment, subscribe, and have a great day. Bye.